Hi, welcome to justfrugalme.com. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates.
Picture this. You're having a nice evening at home when the power goes out. You reach for your trusty flashlight only to find the batteries are dead. When you needed it the most, those stupid dead batteries kept you from feeling safe. Why do batteries die even when you don't use them? If you're like me, you hate buying batteries. Well, guess what? People all over the world are using a dead simple trick to bring nearly any type of dead battery back to life again. I've already tried it with car, laptop, and phone batteries that were completely dead, and now they're just like new again. With this method, you won't have to buy new, pricey batteries anymore. You can just recondition your old batteries and save a lot of money. And the best part? This new battery reconditioning method is so simple and quick. Click the link below so you can learn how to do this too. Go ahead, click the link below.